Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use KuCoin P2P. First, navigate to the P2P trading section on the KuCoin app or website. You'll see options to buy or sell cryptocurrency. It's crucial to complete your identity verification to access all features. This ensures a secure trading environment for everyone involved. Familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and available trading pairs. To buy crypto, select the Buy tab and choose the coin you want, like USD or Bitcoin. Then, filter the available merchants based on your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer or a specific e-wallet, and the amount you wish to spend. Once you find a suitable offer, initiate the trade. You'll receive the seller's payment details, transfer the funds promptly, and confirm payment. When selling, go to the Sell tab and pick the cryptocurrency you want to exchange for fiat. You can either post your own advertisement with your preferred price and payment methods, or select an existing buyer's offer. After a buyer initiates a trade, wait for them to transfer the agreed-upon funds to your account. Only release your crypto once you have confirmed the payment has been successfully received. For a smooth experience, always communicate with your trading partner exclusively through KuCoin's built-in chat system. Never share personal contact information or move conversations off-platform. If you encounter any suspicious behavior or issues, immediately report them to KuCoin customer support. They are there to help resolve disputes and ensure fair trading. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.